Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be going to New Brunswick Village. They have studios, 2 bedrooms, townhouses, 1 bedrooms. It's been on the market for quite some time now, but today, Sunday, December 7th, was their open house between 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. and you can follow Coldwell Bankers to see when the next open house will be. Now, right after passing that gas station on the left is the New Brunswick Shopping Center, and it's at the end of that shopping center that this gated community is located. Here we're turning in and you can clearly see the sign so you know where you're at. Now I believe this is a pro for living here. You have banks, a Sagicor Bank right there, and a lot of other well-known places on the plaza, like right outside your door. But without further ado, let's get to the gate and let's see what is showing today. And any unit that is not shown here now, you can refer to my older video to see those apartments. And I may just put it at the end of the video so you can see what that is looking like as well. Yeah, this is the lobby. Elevator. So this is the studio. Mine's the backsplash. The backsplash match the cabinets. And this is an island here. To your left after entering is the laundry room. A nice place to do it? Then off is the bathroom. In here is dark, but it's shower, gas shower, toilet and basin. Pretty spacious. Back inside, it's gonna have overhead lighting over the island. You see that is a space for the fridge and the stove right next to it. All the plugs. Wall-to-wall doors and windows. And then to our left is the bedroom. Now this is a studio, but of course if you want you can enclose it to make it a 1 bedroom. So here it is, more windows and a closet. Alright, we're not going home that today. Alright. So this is it. Then across the hall, let's see what's across the hall. I think this is another studio. This is another studio. So since what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show the video I did before with the 2 bedroom. I'm gonna show that. I'm gonna insert it next. Oh, the wall closet. I think I missed this on the house that we just came out of. But what I'm gonna do is insert the tour of the 2 bedroom that I had done previously. Okay, balcony right there, windows. So you can see it's very bright, a lot of natural light coming in. And this closet is open. Alright, so I'm gonna look if I see a 2 bedroom showing today. What I hear, strong. go. We're back in the lobby, which of course if you live on the upstairs you can go to the elevator. A lot of parking. Hello. So that was a quick tour of the studio, but right now I'm going to insert, just for those who are new here, the prices and also tour the furnished houses of the townhouse and the one bedroom. The link for that video will also be in the description, so you can check it out as well. So here's the information for those who are interested, and then I'll show you a different direction that you can take to see where this house is located. Let's start with a tour of the one bedroom that is staged for our viewing today. Now let's get to your favorite topic, the prices. The studio apartment starts at $23,320,000, and as you go up each floor it gets more expensive. The one bedroom that we toured first, starts at $27,830,000. Again, it gets more expensive as it goes up. The two bedroom that we did not tour starts at $37 million, and the townhouses that we saw as we were entering, that starts at $40 million. Now the sellers for this property are Coldwell Bankers. They are a realty company, so reach out to them if you're interested in this property today. Welcome back to present day, and now we're gonna make our way inside of Spanish Town from New Brunswick Village. So we're just taking a look at some of the shops. Sagicor, you see persons at the ATM. It is very useful to have this plaza right beside your home. Now when we go, we came from the right, but now we're going into Spanish Town, so we'll go left. That street to our right, where you see that white car, that's Young Street, very popular street in Spanish Town. But we're continuing straight. Okay, so keep watching and we'll see where we come out on the main street of Spanish Town. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember to contact Coldwell Bankers directly if you're interested. You see the prices that were as at last year, but you'd have to contact them because you know a lot of these new houses have escalation prices. I'm not sure why they're not being sold. I believe someone in my comment last time was explaining about it being Spanish Town, but I don't know. They're really lovely. I have no comment on the price. You will know what's in your budget and what you're willing to pay for what you get. Okay, but this is New Brunswick Village. As I said, there's a shopping center right in front of you. It is gated. I believe that the last time they had told me that it was electric fencing, so that's added security. Right here, we're going to turn left. You know, this is the area where the courthouses are located in Spanish Town. So if you have traffic tickets and you need to come pay at the court and have your court date, this is where you come. Right as we turn right here, the building is on the left. Okay, so right by where this tree is on our left, that's the courthouse if you have traffic tickets to pay. right? But we're gonna continue straight out. This is the road that Spanish Town Primary is on. The prison is on it as well, but we're not gonna keep on here. You can continue straight and you'll head up to Burke Road. If you continue across there, you'll end up where the Shoppers Fair is. But for the sake of where I'm going, I'm gonna turn left and I'm gonna come out right in front of Spanish Town Hospital. Also, the Spanish Town Library is also on this road. It is that upstairs building you're seeing on the left. Okay, so it's not a tour video, it's just to see how you can reach where this development is and where in Spanish Town you'll be located if you decide to buy a house in here. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope